Welcome back, everyone. After hitting new highs earlier this summer, gold is starting to lose some of its luster. It has fallen 6% so far this month alone, and that hasn't been the best news for miners such as Goldcorp, the world's second largest producer of the metal by market value, disappointing Wall Street with its earnings this week, reporting per share profit of 27 cents, 2 cents shy of the average estimate of analysts. Chuck Jonas is president and CEO at Goldcorp. He joins us now from Vancouver. Chuck, good to have you with us. Janess, and forgive me because I know I mispronounced it. It is good to have you with us. I mean, gold, the price of gold, the commodity, is obviously so locked into your company's results. I mean, first of all, what are your expectations for gold, let's say, over the next 3 to 6 months?
Well, we're quite bullish on gold over the longer term as well as the next 3 to 6 months. Of course, we're building mines that last 10, 15, 20 years, so we tend to have a very long-term view. But, you know, what we're seeing right now is quite common. We normally see weakness in the gold market in the July and August timeframe. If you look at charts over the last 20 years, it's generally the weakest period because of seasonal physical demand trends. And so this isn't much of a surprise. I would expect to see gold price pick up as we get into the fall. All
right, but how much? We're at $11.68 an ounce right now, so give me what you think might be a viable price target in 6 months from now, or by the end of the year.
Well, we've already hit an all-time high this year. I was on record early in the year saying we would do that, and I certainly would expect by the end of the year that we'll get back through that 1260 number. So, you know, where it goes from there, we're producing gold at about $360 an ounce. So every dollar of increase goes straight to our bottom line. We're happy to see it move up, certainly.
What are you doing? I mean, we were talking a little during the break. You pointed out you're a growth company. What are you guys doing to boost output as you've been doing very well so far? But how do you plan to continue that?
Yeah, well, I guess I'd look at us as both a very strong producer of gold today. We expect to produce almost 2.6 million ounces this year at a very low cash cost of about $350 an ounce. So we're providing good cash generation today, and then we're turning that back into a suite of growth projects that has us growing production to 3.8 million ounces in 2014. So plus 50% growth over that period, and that comes from building new mines. Goldcorp is very good at building mines. We've got projects on the go right now in Mexico, in Canada, including Quebec, down in Chile, and in the Dominican Republic. So that's where our growth comes from, is discovering and developing and building new mines that get that additional gold out of the ground.
Hey, Chuck, you've got a mine down in Guatemala, and it's been talk about possibly halting the operations because of an investigation of alleged environmental damage, human rights abuses. Where do you guys stand on that line? Where are we on that? Do you expect it to be shut down here?
No, we don't. Frankly, the effort to suspend the mine was based on allegations that are simply false, that we've polluted the water in and around the mine and had negative health impacts, and that's simply not the case. It's very demonstrable. The government of Guatemala has been monitoring our progress. We've had independent monitoring, and we're very much looking forward to an opportunity to present those facts.
All right, we're going to leave it there. Chuck Janess, CEO of Goldcorp. We're back in a moment.